Hello, everyone. Welcome to part 2 of my outdoor kitchen construction series. In this video, I'll take you through the design and step-by-step process of building my outdoor kitchen, which I initially completed in December 2024. As you saw in part 1, I finished constructing the kitchen concrete countertop and the wooden frame. In this video, I'll cover the installation of a 60 centimeters by 120 centimeters tile slab for the kitchen countertop, the kitchen sink, the kitchen sewer pipe, the stainless steel faucet, the kitchen sink liquid soap dispenser, the white backsplash tiles, and the electrical outlet. Hey DIYers and pros! Welcome back to Mark Daily DIY channel. Before we fully begin, let's make sure we're staying safe. Grab your eye protection, gloves, and a mask if needed, and let's get started. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tool reviews and DIY tips to help me make more videos. First up, the kitchen countertop tile installation. I'll show you how I transformed my kitchen countertop using a stunning gray Verona tile from Wilcon Depot, measuring 60 centimeters by 120 centimeters. I removed the existing paint from the kitchen backsplash up to the skim coat layer for a smooth installation layer. Then I measured the kitchen sink size and cut the tile accordingly using a 4-inch grinder and a multi-material diamond cutting disc. I made a precise cut on the right side of the tile in a horizontal landscape position. To install the tiles, I used heavy-duty tile adhesive. The larger piece of the tile became the central part of the countertop, while the smaller piece was used for the gas stove area. The remaining rectangular tile piece was placed on the right side of the kitchen, next to the sink, and the leftover smaller tiles were placed on the left side. Since the tile slab was not enough to cover the entire 52 centimeters by 172 centimeters countertop dimension, and I used some leftover white tiles for the left and right sides and backsplash area of the gas stove. Now, let's move on to the kitchen sink installation. I bought a Nano black stainless kitchen sink from the Lazada online store. For this DIY project, I wanted to try out a black kitchen sink for the first time. First, I painted the wall or sides of the kitchen sink hole to make the surface smoother and cleaner, preventing dust accumulation under the kitchen cabinet. To attach the kitchen sink to the countertop, I used Pioneer Acrylic Gap Sealant, which works well on rough surfaces. I then sealed the side gaps with white silicone sanitary sealant. The kitchen sink package also included a kitchen sewer pipe, P-trap, a stainless steel faucet, and a liquid soap dispenser. Next, the installation of the kitchen sink sewer P-trap. I used a single-hole flexible kitchen sink sewer P-trap. To prevent leaks, I applied Elastoseal waterproofing sealant on the sewer pipe threads. Since the hose of the P-trap is smaller than the 2-inch sewer PVC drainage pipe, I used a rubberized washer sealing plug to make the connection leak-free and odor-free. Now, the installation of the stainless steel faucet from Lazada. I opted for a wall-mounted faucet in gray for a bit of contrast. The faucet has several features I love. It's made of stainless steel, has a 360-degree swivel, is flexible, and offers both shower and concentrated water output effects. When installing the threaded elbow PVC adapter coupling in the kitchen wall, I made sure it protruded around 1 centimeter to 2 centimeters, as part of it would be covered by the backsplash tiles. I also applied silicone sealant to the decorative cover cup to ensure it stays in place. For the installation of the kitchen sink liquid soap dispenser, I used silicone sanitary sealant around its bottom cup cover to make it water splash proof. Next, the installation of the backsplash tiles. I used heavy-duty tile adhesive, such as ABC or Bostik brands. First, I removed the existing paint from the kitchen backsplash up to the skim coat layer to ensure a strong bond with the wall. I used 10 centimeters by 20 centimeters rectangular subway tiles in a running bond or offset bond arrangement. For now, I only installed 3 rows of tiles because I still need to cover part of the window with concrete. My goal is to have 5 rows of tiles. I'll show pictures of my desired backsplash tile arrangement, and in part 3, I'll reveal the final result of my outdoor kitchen. Lastly, for the electrical outlet installation, I chose a 2-gang or duplex outlet with a switch, allowing you to cut off power without unplugging appliances. As you can see, the kitchen concrete walls are still a bit rough. I'll apply a clear top coat sealer to smooth and protect them from water and other elements. Now that we have an outdoor kitchen, we can safely place the gas tank outside, right behind the gas stove area. This significantly reduces the risk of any potential problems that could arise from having the gas tank inside the house. By keeping the gas tank outdoors, we minimize the risk of gas leaks, fire hazards, and other safety concerns, ensuring a safer cooking environment for our home. In part 2 of my outdoor kitchen construction series, I covered the installation of various elements, including the kitchen countertop tile, kitchen sink, sewer P-trap, stainless steel faucet, liquid soap dispenser, backsplash tiles, and electrical outlet. I detailed the materials and techniques used, such as cutting the tiles with a grinder, using heavy-duty adhesive for tile installation, and sealing gaps with silicone sanitary sealant. Stay tuned for part 3, where I'll reveal the complete outdoor kitchen build and decor, including the full-size backsplash subway tiles. I'll be applying a semi-gloss white paint under the kitchen cabinets to give them a clean and polished look. Additionally, I'll show you the application of a clear top coat sealer on the kitchen concrete walls to protect them from the elements. I'll also be installing the kitchen cabinets and applying a layer of polyurethane to the wooden frame to protect it and enhance its appearance. Lastly, I'll be painting the walls of the outdoor kitchen area to complete the transformation. Let us take a moment to enjoy and appreciate the pictures from my construction journey. These photos capture each step of the process, showcasing the hard work, creativity, and dedication that went into building this outdoor kitchen. I'm excited to share with you some of the creative and practical solutions I've come up with to make the most of our compact outdoor kitchen. From maximizing storage to creating multifunctional spaces, I'll be showing you how you can achieve a functional and stylish area, regardless of the size. Stay tuned for tips, tricks, and step-by-step guides that you can easily apply to your own spaces. Let's get started and make every square meter count. Thanks for watching my second home improvements vlog. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY home improvements or makeovers and DIY tips, and to help me make more videos. God bless.